Hi everybody, my name is Stephen Conlon and I'm a member of the AEC Digital Construction Integration team here at Pentagon Solutions. Last week, I published a video on InfraWorks showing what the software is, its purpose for a civil engineer, and the services Pentagon offer for this. In this week's video, I'm going to go over Civil 3D and cloud collaboration, what this means, and what services Pentagon offer in regards to this. Firstly, I will link last week's video to this week's just to discuss the link between Civil 3D and InfraWorks. In the world of civil engineering, InfraWorks and Civil 3D have revolutionized the design and planning process. InfraWorks offers conceptual design and visualization capabilities, allowing engineers to create stunning 3D models of infrastructure projects, integrating real-world data for accuracy. When it comes to detailed design and analysis, Civil 3D takes over with specialized tools for grading, road design, pipe networks, and more. The seamless link between InfraWorks and Civil 3D enables engineers to start in InfraWorks for the initial 3D model and then transfer data to Civil 3D for detailed design and documentation. Changes made in either application can be synchronized, ensuring design consistency throughout the project. Civil 3D's comprehensive tools enable engineers to generate precise construction documentation. By combining the power of InfraWorks and Civil 3D, civil engineers can streamline their workflow, improve collaboration, and bring their infrastructure projects to life with efficiency and accuracy, ultimately designing a better world. Pentagon offer training in both InfraWorks and Civil 3D, both separately and as a bundle, which is called the Ultimate Civil Bundle. As mentioned before, Civil 3D is a software application that combines CAD functionality with specialized tools for civil engineering, enabling professionals to design, analyze, and document infrastructure projects with efficiency and precision. If you want a full breakdown of the features and functionality of Civil 3D, please see our other videos on Civil 3D on our YouTube and LinkedIn pages, or please give Pentagon a call or email about training. Now, cloud collaboration is the practice of collaborating on projects, sharing files, and working together on tasks using cloud-based platforms and tools. It involves multiple individuals or teams accessing and editing shared resources such as documents, spreadsheets, presentations, or design files stored on remote servers through an internet connection. The one which links directly with Civil 3D is ACC, or Autodesk Construction Cloud. Pentagon have experts in both Civil 3D, such as myself, and the ACC, which we all work closely together to ensure workflows are efficient and seamless to give advice to customers who have both. Autodesk Construction Cloud integrates with Civil 3D, allowing for seamless data exchange and collaboration between the two platforms. Here are some key aspects of their integration. Data transfer. ACC and Civil 3D facilitate the transfer of project data between the two platforms. Civil engineers can start their design and documentation process in Civil 3D and then transfer the relevant data to ACC for construction management and collaboration purposes. BIM collaboration. Both ACC and Civil 3D support Building Information Modeling, or BIM, workflows. BIM models created in Civil 3D can be uploaded and shared through ACC, enabling collaboration and coordination among project stakeholders. This integration facilitates class detection, design reviews, and information sharing. Document management. ACC provides a centralized document management system where project teams can store, organize, and share project documents. This includes documents generated in Civil 3D, such as design files, drawings, and specifications. By integrating with ACC, Civil 3D users can seamlessly manage and share their design documents with the project team. Project management. ACC's project management capabilities can be leveraged alongside Civil 3D. This allows for the integration of Civil 3D's design and engineering data with ACC's project scheduling, budgeting, and resource allocation features. The integration ensures that the design data from Civil 3D aligns with the overall project management workflow in ACC. Collaboration and communication. ACC provides collaboration tools and features such as chats, comments, and notifications that facilitates communication and coordination among project teams. These collaboration features can be used in conjunction with Civil 3D, allowing team members to discuss design-related issues, share updates, and provide feedback within the ACC environment. By integrating Civil 3D with Autodesk Construction Cloud, civil engineers can streamline their design to construction workflows, which we here at Pentagon can set up and teach how to efficiently use the platform plus how it integrates with Civil 3D. Pentagon can also offer training on both Civil 3D bespoke, private, public, or as a package such as the Ultimate Civil Bundle. We also offer bespoke training for ACC as well as a cloud bundle. Once proficient in both platforms, users can leverage the powerful design capabilities of Civil 3D while seamlessly collaborating with project teams, managing project documents, and accessing project management features within ACC. This integration ensures a smoother transition from design to construction, enhancing communication, efficiency, and project outcomes. Cloud collaboration is the way of the future of managing and executing projects. Therefore, it is best to understand, implement, and efficiently use ACC with your Civil 3D projects now rather than later, as later will be too late and your competitors will be ahead of the game in years to come. Pentagon offer many services in both fields to allow our customers to fully understand this way of executing civil projects. Please give us a call or email if you're interested in anything in regards to this video. We offer services in many different aspects as we are a solutions-based company. So if you come to us with a problem, we will have the answer. This concludes today's video on Civil 3D and cloud collaboration in our video series Journey of a Civil Engineer. Please tune in next week for my video on Dynamo on Civil 3D, which is a visual programming application for Civil 3D which helps automate monotonous tasks. We offer a lot of services on this front as well, such as training and writing scripts, just to name a few. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to keep up to date with any of our new videos. Please also follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter.